how Vygotsky and Piaget shaped our understanding of learning. Did you know two of the greatest minds in child development, Vygotsky and Piaget, revolutionized how we teach? Let's dive into their groundbreaking ideas. Both Vygotsky and Piaget believed children are active participants in their own learning, but they approached it differently. Jean Piaget described kids as little scientists. He explained that as they grow, they experiment, make observations, and adapt their thinking based on new experiences. For example, a toddler shaking a rattle is learning cause and effect, while a school-age child solving puzzles is developing logical reasoning. Piaget broke this down into stages: the sensorimotor stage, birth to 2, the pre-operational stage, ages 2 to 7, and the concrete operational stage, ages 7 to 11. Lev Vygotsky, on the other hand, focused on the social side of learning. He believed that kids learn best through interactions with peers and adults. His concept of the zone of proximal development (ZPD) shows that children grow most when guided to do tasks just beyond their abilities. For example, a teacher helping a child sound out words in a story helps them bridge the gap between what they know and what they can learn. Together, Piaget and Vygotsky remind us that learning isn't one-size-fits-all. It's a mix of individual discovery and social collaboration. How do you see these theories in action with your child or students? Share in the comments and follow for more insights.